Hi everyone, it's Hidej, back with another How to Read Japanese video. It is lesson number 10. So we've learned all 50 sound tables, but actually it's only that we've learned all katakana components. And from today, we're going to learn compounds. And to do that, I'm going to introduce what is called small katakanas. And actually, in original Japanese language, we have 4 small katakanas. So let's start by seeing 3 of them. So here they are. Yeah, these are the 3. Well, you might wonder, wait a minute, aren't they ya, you, and yo? Yeah, that should be right. But actually, it's not, because these are small ya, you, yos. So, what I mean is, these are the normal ya, you, yo, while these are small ya, you, yo. So let me explain. Actually, these small katakanas aren't used alone. It's always combined with other katakana. And actually, it is always combined with these I sounds. Always combined with I sounds. So let me show you an example. First of all, let's start from this one, ki. So if I write ki, and then we put small ya, ki plus small u, and ki plus small yo. So let's say these two represent one sound as a whole. Okay. So this is ki and this is ya, which is small. So it means something like kia, right? And if we say that quickly, then that will be kia, kia, kya. Right. It's kya. So this one is actually Q, and this one is kyo. But I guess this is pretty difficult for English speakers to pronounce. Well, I guess Q is okay, because let's say cucumber or accumulate. Is the spell correct? So anyway, in English pronunciation, this can be expressed like this, maybe, right? Oh, we don't have the dot. This sound, Q. So English has this sound, but actually these sounds aren't in English. It should be like maybe this, ka. Well, it's pretty similar to what we see in cat. Well, I guess it's almost the same, but cat is actually this, right? But theoretically, it should be this expression. So maybe it's not exactly the same. And this one is kyo. Actually, this is what you've seen in, yeah, the capital city of Japan, Tokyo. So English speakers always pronounce this as Tokyo, right? Kyo. But it's not. We have to combine them like kyo. Can you do that? Kyo. Tokyo. And actually, old capital city of Japan is Kyoto, not Kyoto. Okay. So next of all, what happens if we put voice sound marker to this one? You don't put it to here. You actually put it to on the shoulder of ki. Okay. So yeah, of course, because this part is gi. So it's gi, yeah, gia, gia, gya. Okay, it's gya, gyu, gyo. Gya is very near to ga sound. Gya. For example, what do you have? Oh, okay. Maybe gang. But theoretically, it should be expressed as maybe this, gya, and gyu, and gyo. All right. So now let's go to the next one. So we're gonna go to this character. It's she. Okay, the original sound, this part was she. So shia, which will be actually sha. So this is shu, and this is sho. Well, I guess these are easy for you to pronounce. So if we put voice sound markers, of course, it's jia, which means jia, ja, ja. Right, it's ja, ju, and jo. Yeah, pronunciation is like this. I don't know. Okay, so ja, ju, jo. So let's move on to the third one. It's chi, right? So chi plus small ya, chi plus small u, and chi plus small yo. So it's chia, 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 cha, cha. Right. So this will be chu, and this will be cho. Cha, chu, cho. Yeah, it's easy to pronounce. And what happens if we put voice sound markers? Well, actually, this part was G, right? So, yes, once again, these are the same sound. Ja, ju, jo. But mostly, these characters are used rather than these. Okay. So, let's go to the next one. So we go to ni. So ni plus ya, ni plus you, ni plus yo. Yeah, of course. It's nya, which might be difficult for you to pronounce. And new. Well, this is pretty near to, for example, news. So maybe it's easy for you. And this is nyo, nyo, nya, new, nyo. Okay. Oh, nyo is easy for Spanish speakers, right? Español, señor, right? Oh, Spanish have nya too, right? Hasta mañana, maybe. Okay, so how about the next one? He plus ya, he plus you, he plus yo. Okay, it's hya, hya. This is hu, which you can find in maybe huge. And this one is hyo. So what happens if voice sound marker? Of course, it was B, so bia, which leads to bia, bu. Well, bu is okay. For example, abuse. And bio, bia, bu, bio. Okay. And for he, yeah, we also have this one, right? Half voice marker. So what happens? Of course, it's PYA, which is pya, and pew. Yeah, pew is okay for English speakers. Let's say puke, and oops, pyo, pya, pew, pyo. Okay. Now, I'm sure you're already seeing what they are. So maybe you already know the rest of these. So next one is me. Okay, me plus ya, me plus you, me plus yo. Yeah, it's mya, mu, myo. Well, mu is okay. Of course, amuse. So, well, so the U sound is often okay for English speakers. So mya, mu, myo. Now, finally, we go to li. Li plus ya, li plus you, li plus yo. Of course, dia, du, dio. Remember, this R is not English R, it's Japanese larirurero sound. Dia, du, dio. Okay? Very good. Now we've learned 3 of the 4 small katakanas. But lastly, we're going to have to learn the 4th one. And the 4th one is this. Yeah. You know what it is? You can find it here. It's tsu, but it's actually a small tsu, because this is normal size tsu. So small tsu. So now let's explain how to pronounce it. Well, if there's only this sound, you can't pronounce it. Never. That won't make a sound, because it is always put between some other katakanas. So let me show you an example. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to pronounce this one. This part is ki, you already know that. And this part is pu, you already know that. So what about this? Well, actually, in this case, it goes like this. It's kipu, kipu. You know what I mean? So if we didn't have this one, it would be kipu, kipu. But if we put the small tsu, it goes kipu. Yeah. So actually, this character means you stop your breath before speaking the next one. I hope what I mean. So let's try other examples. How do you read this? We write la, and the next one is ko, right? So we put another k here, and it goes la ko. If it weren't for this, it's la ko, but with this, it's la ko, la ko. Okay. Okay. If it weren't for this small tsu, it will be uzu, uzu. However, if we have small tsu, you put another z here, and it will be udzu, udzu, udzu. How about this? Petto, petto. Yeah. Bakko, baku. So that's how we read small tsu. I'm sure you understand. And actually, it's always used when the next sound is easy to make the breath stop, right? So if we put small tsu before, for example, W sound or before N sound, it would be very difficult to pronounce. It's difficult to stop your breath before wa and before na or maybe am. It's impossible. So maybe there aren't so many words like these, I guess. Okay, and in some cases, this small tsu can be used for the last of the word. For example, I often say this. It's I, ta, and small tsu, but nothing is next to it, so I can't write it in Roman alphabet. But this means something like ow, ouch, yeah, ow. We say ita. So if it weren't for this one, it would be just ita, ita. But with this one, ita. You know what I mean? Ita. I'm stopping my breath here. Okay. So actually, that's all for this video. And the next one, finally, we go to foreign sounds. Special katakanas for imitating foreign sounds. And those are very, very important when you try to write your name in katakana. So don't miss it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.